Long URLs are not bad per se for SEO, but what can happen is that their exaggerated length is a symptom of other potential problems that will have a clear weight in terms of SEO. For example, if you have thousands of posts and the URLs have unimportant secondary words, which makes them too long, then your posts will not be filtered correctly by search engines. In short, you'll be invisible to search engines. That's why in this video we want to show you how to find all your posts with too long URLs in a few minutes. You don't have to open them and check them individually, so you can save a lot of time. Just install the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin, which provides an intuitive spreadsheet that makes it easy to manage thousands of fields with important information and manage thousands of posts or pages quickly. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we're ready to search for all the posts with long URLs. To do this, we'll open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select URL slug here. The operator will be character length greater than. Now enter the number of characters. In this case, we'll enter 50. Finally, run the search to display all the posts whose URL contains more than 50 characters. After filtering your posts by their URL's length, you can go directly to the URL slug column and edit all your posts in the spreadsheet. When you're done, don't forget to save the changes. As you can see, it's really easy to find and edit thousands of posts using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.